Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is a new week, so I'm done cutting the lace. So please, if this is your first time coming across my video, I am Zobiji by name. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Like this video, share and comment, because I bet you'll be learning a lot from today's video. So guys, first things first, to start this week, I'm going to start off by making the C-curve line. So most people find it very difficult to make this particular line, but one of these days I'm going to make a detailed tutorial on how to do this C-curve line. So after doing that, the next thing I'm going to do is to part this wig. I'm going to part it into sections and then lay it down with my hot comb machine. Guys, for the hair wash, you can use whichever product you have, but this is the product I have and I like to buy. So all I'm going to do is to lay it down. So it is very important that you lay the remaining parts of the wig down. You're going to lay it down with your wax, just so that your line, or should I say your C-curve, will come out very nice and good. So guys, I'm done laying it down, and then it's time to make the C-curve to look beautiful. So guys, one thing I just remembered this now, and I decided to share it with you guys. Please, when you're doing this on a client's hair, you have to be very careful. Like, you have to be very careful, because this hot comb is usually very hot, so that you don't end up burning your client's skin, so that it doesn't end up touching your client's scalp. So you have to be very careful when you're doing it on someone's hair. So the next thing to do is to apply my spray. So this is a butterfly shadow spray. So you apply it just to lay down that part very well. And then the next thing I'm going to be needing is an elastic band, and I'm going to hold it in place with my T-pins, and just for that place to lay down. So that's what we're going to do. So after that, let's move into the next part. So to bob this wig, what you're going to do first of all is to divide this thing into sections. You part it into sections, and mind you, when bobbing a wig, the one thing you need to note is that you work with smaller sections. Like, you don't just pack it all and then start bobbing. It won't give you that desired, it won't give you what you want, right? So the thing is that just make sure like the section you're working with, like the particular part you're working with, is small. It doesn't have to be much. I know it's going to take time, but patience is a virtue. So mind you, I am not using a heat resistant spray. Now I'm not using that because I don't have one for now, so I'm just trying to be careful. But mind you, you need a heat resistant spray, right? Just so that the wig doesn't burn, because they are, especially for beginners that don't know how to handle this stretching machine, you might just end up applying too much heat to the wig and you just end up burning a customer's wig. Another very important thing you need aside the heat resistant spray is your serum. Yeah, the serum makes it shine, it makes it silky. Although I don't have a serum, I'm just telling you. And if you want to buy a serum, then you go for the Ludis. I don't know if it's pronounced Ludis or Ludis products. Yes, their serum is very nice, so you go for that product. Yeah, it's very, very nice. So these are the only two products that I would advise you to use when bobbing your wig, when stretching your wig, right? It gives you that shine, and then the heat resistant spray also moisturizes it. So I'm just going to continue the whole process. So the trick in this thing is that while using your stretching machine, right, you don't just make it go straight. You don't just make it go straight, you curve it in. Like when using the stretching machine, like you make it go inwards. Like you make it go inwards, you curve it in. When you get to the bottom of the hair, you curve it in. So that's just the trick. If we were to make it straight, like if we wanted to make it straight, then we would have just gone straight. But it's a bob we're making, it's a bob style, so you curve it inwards, right? So mind you, if I was using a heat resistant spray or even a serum, then all I will do is to rub a little portion of it on my palm and then rub it on the wig. So you don't need much, so that you don't get, so that you not spoil the wig. You don't need much, so just a little quantity will do. So I think these are the only two products that you need when bobbing your wig. Like, these are the only two products that will go well with your stretching, that will go well in stretching your wig. So guys, if you watched up to this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share to other viewers out there who need to learn this also. And also don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you learned a lot. So this is the final look. This is what it looks like. So don't forget to share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If there's anything you don't understand, please ask your question. I'm all ears. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I love you all.